Yes guys, welcome back guys with another update. Normally when I get anything new I have to come to tell you. I've seen this new update. The YouTube say that after 3 minutes is count as a short video. So I don't have any video which is 3 minutes in my channel, so now I decided to record this video now and you see now I'm going to test if it's going to be short or it's going to be like my normal video, because what I know, normal video is 60 seconds, but this one they say even if it's 3 minute video is going to count as a short. So guys, we are going to check this update, and anyone who like to do, guys, let us test together this challenge, because I myself, I don't know anything about this, but I had a lot of people, they keep saying like everything was being updated, all this. And in my side, I didn't get any email, I didn't get any text say that we are going to update this. We are going to update this. So guys, if you know or you have already get that email or you got any information, guys, let us do it together. You know, normally when YouTube, they say something like they want to show now there was new update. If you start doing that update on that moment, they will recommend you a channel, you will start getting more views, you will start getting more subscribers. So it's the time now to find that chance, because all my videos is 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 50 minutes, 3 hours, 10 hours until 11 hours, but I don't have which video is 3 minutes. So this, it is going to be my first video to be 3 minutes. So what I want to do, even I'm trying to check in my laptop if there was any email again different than that, but I don't have any email from YouTube say that we send this email because we want to change all this up. I know YouTube, when they're going to do something, they're going to send that email to everyone, but I don't know with this update, because I've seen it start going viral. Everyone keeps saying like from 3 minutes is going to count as a short. YouTube is going to recommend your video as a short video. So I'm going to check this chance if it's going to work or not. So guys, if you know that you got a video which is 3 minutes or is less than 3 minutes, is going to recommend as a short video. So let us try to do this challenge together, because I don't want to take that long time. I want only that 3 minutes, then to end this video, and I want to see after this video if it's going to work. Guys, every day I have to post like 2 video of 3 minutes to go to know like how it's going to YouTube to start recommend my videos, or all of them, or this only the short, the way they count. So we are going to see, guys. This is something interesting to me. When I had that YouTube, they want to start from 3 minutes to recommend as a short video, because it's a chance. If when you get that chance to say like, okay, I'm going to post my video and it's going to count as a 3 minutes, so why not?